In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Construction Buyer Qualification Chatbot that we've created inside of ManyChat. Show you exactly how it works and how you can create it yourself or download it from our website at realestatemessengerbot.com. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a demo of it, and then I'll show you exactly what's behind the scenes of this demo. So basically what we use this for is to pre-qualify buyers that are looking to buy new construction. So we have these new construction questions that we're going to ask them. So I have my phone set up here, and I'm going to go ahead and hit that preview button, and you can see the phone demo. Basically, you direct people to your chatbot, either from an ad or directly from a link, and they can click on this specific flow to pre-qualify them as a new construction home buyer. So first question is, what size home are you looking for? You got all these different options. Then it asks how many minimum bedrooms. Basically, the buyer can go through and just select these options and make it really quick. What type of home are you looking for? What is your ideal location? Say Orlando. Okay, are you currently working with a realtor? Nope. What is your timeline for moving? Not sure. Let's do 3 to 6 months. Okay, what is your budget on your new home? 500 to 750. Have you been pre-approved for that amount? Yes, no, or cash buyer? And what are your must-haves and deal breakers in the new home? Must-have pool and deal breaker small yard. Okay. Whatever they want to enter there. Do you have any special requirements or needs for your new home? Close to freeway. Maybe I need to get to the freeway for work, and I want to be kind of close to it. Obviously not next to it, but okay. Have you been through the home building process before? Yes, I have. What is your communication preference throughout the building process? Let's do text message. All right. Now I'm going to enter another. Let's do test at test.com. All right. And then 555 55555. All right. So now that chatbot has captured all of the information inside of ManyChat, and now if I go into ManyChat, I'll see that I have captured this information and I am a new lead inside of ManyChat. You'll also get a notification with that after that lead has entered their information. You'll get an email, you get a messenger notification and all that stuff, so that you know exactly what it is. So let's go ahead and dive into the actual what's actually being built. So you can use this information if you want to understand, if you're downloading the flow and you want to understand how to install it. Again, you can get it at realestatemessengerbot.com. Or if you want to create this yourself and spend the time, we do have a deal running for the single flow templates. If you want to check that out, again, the link is below. So basically, each of these, let me go ahead and make myself a little smaller. All right, so each of these messages is broken down into a box here, and these are the message box. So you have the first question, you have an action that opens up the conversation and sets the messenger opt-in, and then it goes through and asks the questions that they're looking for. For these questions, we use user inputs. So this is a user input, and we save that user input as a multiple choice and to a custom field. So we name that custom field purchase home size, and now we are able to capture that information and use it later by searching this custom field purchase home size. So whatever they enter there will be saved under that custom field. Same thing is happening with the minimum bedrooms with a user input and saving it to a custom field. So if you want to go in and edit any of these things, like maybe what type of home you're looking for, you want to add another option, multifamily or something like that, you can go ahead and click that quick reply button, and you can save that quick reply as a custom field as well. What is your ideal location for your home? This is a text reply, so that when we want them to type something below, instead of selecting an option, we change it to the reply type as text. Okay, are you currently working with a realtor? And then what is your timeline for moving to a new home? So you can see here all these red lines right here. Basically, those are all going to a follow-up message, and this is happening if customer has not responded. So if a customer stops, or contact, if the contact stops responding, it will, we'll see here, contact has not responded in 2 minutes, then it's going to send a follow-up message. So if they stop 2 minutes later, they're going to receive this message that says, hey, first name, looks like you didn't finish answering the questions to help you find your dream home. Please select an option below so we can serve you to our best ability. So they can restart the questions or get your phone number and contact the agent. So you would want to go in here and edit your phone number and make sure that that's all connected there. Okay. All right, so then it goes on to the next questions. Basically, we just have this formatted where it's going down here instead of a straight line all the way across. Okay, so again, the questions, what is your budget for a new home? Have you been pre-approved for that amount? What are your must-haves and deal breakers? Maybe you want to break that into 2 different questions. What are your must-haves in a new home? And then create another message that says, what are your deal breakers in a new home? Do you have any special requirements? Have you gone through the building process? What is your communication preference throughout the building process? And then it goes to check if the email has any value. So if they've already entered into your sequence they're already a lead inside of your database, they will basically receive a message that says, it looks like we have an email on file for you. Can confirm that this email, and we use these inputs right here to show the email that we have on file. So it'll show that email, and they can either click yes it is or no, enter another, and it'll go to the message that everybody else will receive. What's your best email address? Click or enter it below. So these reply types are email, so it is able to capture email specific. It can save it to the system field and set email opt-in for that. And then we also have if a contact didn't respond, if they didn't enter the email, then we follow up with them again. Hey, we need your email to move forward. Please enter it now. So it's just another point of follow-up that makes the conversion higher than what you can do on a home page. You can't do that kind of follow-up on a home page or a landing page, opt-in page. All right, so from here we're going to go and check if the phone has any value. If they've entered their phone number, basically the same process for phone, for email as it is for phone, except we're asking for their phone. And then the reply type is phone. So instead of email, it's phone for the reply type. Okay, and then from there, we're setting the SMS opt-in. And then this section right here is basically set up so that you can partner with a loan officer. So if they have entered that they're not pre-approved, then you can send them to a specific loan officer with this action. So pre-approved is no. Then right here, what you would want to do on this notify assignees, you would add your loan officer to your team inside of settings, and they would be in here where you would select them to receive this notification saying that they're not pre-approved. However, if they are pre-approved and you don't want to send their information to their loan officer, then you would go under this message or action right here, this notify assignee, and you would deselect them. So just select like your name or whoever you're contacting, having contact them, but you would not select their name. So basically what's happening here is only the specific loan officer would get the notifications here. They would not get them here. Again, if they're not pre-approved, they would get them. If they are, or a cash buyer, they would not receive their information. So And then the last message here is just basically all the confirmation. Like, so we have all your information. Please confirm that this is correct. We are using we're using fields here, as you can see. Basically, to add these in yourself, you use these brackets down here, and you can search, first name right there. That's a system field. Email, you just click on that and a blue option would come up here. Time, purchase time, renting time, purchase time frame, all that stuff is available to kind of edit this as you will. Then it says, I'll pass it on to my agents. If you'd like to speak to us, click below. Basically, you would edit your phone number here, or they can select the start over. Maybe they entered something wrong and they want to start all over again. But after you do that, you hit update, you hit preview, and you're good to go to use this flow. If you have just this flow and you want to use just this flow by itself, what you're going to use is the triggers at the beginning of the flow. So let's say you want to create a link for users to come into this flow. So you want to just send them a link online or through Facebook or whatever. You can go to the messenger ref URL. You click that, and let's see, we got to activate it. Why is this bar down here? Activate down here. All right, there you go. It's hidden. This thing's popped up for some reason. All right, so now you have the URL right here. All you do is copy that, and it's as simple as that. You can send this URL to anybody, and basically when they click on it, it's going to open up inside of Messenger, and they will be able to go through this sequence and become a lead. There's multiple other ways to do that. You can use a QR code, and then we also use keywords to direct people from a Facebook ad into this message, or you can even use the JSON Facebook ads. Both of those instructions are on our YouTube channel, so you can check those videos out to learn how to do that. But that is the new construction buyer qualification questions. Again, you can download this at realestatemessengerbot.com, or you can follow what we did, but we have a really cheap deal going on, and you can get it started just by clicking the link in the description. All right, if you guys have any questions about this chatbot or anything along these lines, go ahead and drop your comments below. If this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.